per linear equation. Again, tati linear equation chi. A linear equation by definition, tirikuti this is an algebraic equation. So an algebraic equation of the highest order kana kuti power 1. That is a linear equation, an algebraic equation of the highest order or the highest power 1. What we mean by that, tirikuti looking at the variables cannot unknowns inside the equation, we find that the highest power is going to be 1. From linear equations, that is where we get straight lines, because the word linear itself, if you look at it carefully, you see kuti tine a root of this word, which is line, and this line is referring to a straight line. So all linear equations are straight lines. My equations ese ane the highest power ari 1, takatarisa ma variables cannot unknowns. They are linear equations, they are straight line equations.